Hi, this is me, Sandesh Paudel, and I'm recording this for the video reflection on the master's project for my project Smart Home Reality CRM enhancement. So these are the contents I'm going to talk about in this video. My three largest contributions, unique things I have learned, and ideas to improve the course. So talking about the largest three contributions, uh, so I have worked on different types of diagrams for all three sprints. Second contribution was master diagram for enhancements in CRM areas, most particularly lead management and sales analytics, and some of the analysis done on the Tableau software. So for the diagrams, in the screen you can see three different sequence diagrams, and which I created during the sprints. The first one is for a sign up and login process. The second one is for creating job tags for team members, and the third one is for the calculations of required fees and taxes. So the other diagrams I created was for the tasks of editing profile for the client and listing and viewing the existing clients. So for this I created sequence diagrams and also an entity relationship diagram uh, to show how the file upload can be seen in the database, and the another sequence diagram showing the on tracking the key performance indicator. Other figures I created were the activity diagram for the error handling during the sign in or login process, and a use case diagram for accessing data from a database by analyst or any other marketing manager. The other process of flowchart to access the dashboard, and a flowchart for how the files can be uploaded in the system. I also created two different mind maps during the process. The first one is on how customer service key performance indicators can be tracked by analysts. So starting this with the customer service KPIs in the main figure. The other three categories were divided into response time, satisfaction index, and issue resolution. So these were subdivided to provide specific detail, such as response time. Its details are initial contact and follow-up queries, satisfaction index, customer service and feedback collection, issue resolution, success rate, and average time. So after providing these details, this helps in dividing the different aspects of each KPI for clear understanding and analysis. The other mind map was on how to collaborate with banks. So in this process, the analyst access the CRM system and inputs the sale transaction details, such as buyer information, property details, etc. And the system sends the provided details to the bank, and the system receives the feasibility feedback from the bank, whether buyer is eligible for a loan or whether the transaction meets all financial requirements. Then the analyst views the feasibility provided by the bank, which would be helpful for analyst in decision making, whether the transaction can proceed further or if there are any issues that need to be addressed. Another major contribution I made in this project was creating a master diagram for CRM enhancement in lead management. So starting with the history and tracking, up to the follow-up reminder, the process ends. So starting with the history and tracking, there are two different elements: record interactions and analyze historical data. So on record interactions, every phone call or email or meeting with a prospective buyer should be logged into the CRM system with the date and details. And in analyzing historical data, past interactions and progress with leads over the quarter should be identified. And in visualization, graphical data representation, where different diagrams or pie charts can be used to display lead sources such as social media, referrals, website, to visualize which channels are most effective. And in trend analysis, line graphs can be generated to observe changes in lead volume throughout the year and identify seasonal trends. Similarly, in organization, categorize in information. So based on like the leads are new or in negotiation or in closed, and enhance accessibility. Implement a tagging system in the CRM that allows to quickly find leads based on attributes such as location, budget, or urgency. And in while tracking, we can monitor lead status and provide real-time updates. In qualifying, we can evaluate based on criteria like on engagement level or readiness to buy, using factors like budget and timeline, and prioritize leads. And in analytics, we can generate data-driven analytics and refine strategies as well. And for follow-up reminder, we can send automated prompts like scheduled emails or SMS to agents, reminding them to follow up with leads at critical steps in the sales and highlight critical engagement points. For this, we can trigger an alert when lead reaches a key decision-making stage, prompting immediate action from the sales team. Another master diagram I created for CRM enhancement in sales analytics, starting with customer segmentation, ending in churn analysis. In customer segmentation, we have uh, defined market segments and analyze customer behavior, defining market segments according to their age and income levels, while analyzing customer behavior, understanding the purchasing habits of them, and in real time monitoring, tracking sales metrics on a daily or monthly basis, and alert notifications. In competitive analysis, we can have benchmarking like competitor pricing, market share, and SWOT analysis. Its strengths and weaknesses, identifying the strengths of the company and recognizing areas where the company can improve. In pipeline management, we can manage leads in three different groups: lead, opportunity, and closed. Likewise, we can forecast sales, monthly sales, or monthly forecast, or quarterly forecast. Inside customer insights, we can gather feedback through surveys, interviews, and in predicting trends, we can forecast market trends based on data. Consumer demand, anticipating consumer demand for product or services. And inside performance tracking, we can monitor goals, sales target, and conversion rates, and the rates at which the leads are converted into customers, and evaluating outcomes, revenue growth, and sales performance. And ROI management, return on investment management. Inside, we can we can look into calculating investment returns and adjusting strategies. And finally, at churn analysis, we can identify at-risk customers. This means the recognition customers who are not actively engaging, or identifying customers who have raised multiple complaints. And finally, implementing retention strategies through loyalty programs and customer service. So increasing programs to reward loyal customers, and customer support, enhancing customer support to retain customers. So one other contribution that fall in the part was doing the analysis on Tableau through the data provided by the client to make different analysis based on the lead age, or based on the preferred contacts, based on the sources and the lead status. So I made this analysis. So talking about the unique things I learned, so I learned two new things during this project journey. One was understanding the real estate company, and other was the HubSpot software. So I acquired knowledge on how real estate companies operate, including their business models, client management practices, and the importance of personalized customer experiences in driving business success. And also I knew how to use HubSpot and its functionality, and I gained practical knowledge on how to basically use it for the CRM, including its tool for marketing, sales, and customer service. So talking about the ideas to improve the course, so these are the three things from my side which needs to be improved: hands-on workshops, industry expert sessions, and alumni networking. So in my perspective, more practical workshops focusing on essential tools and softwares and related to the particular project should be organized properly, and professionals from different IT backgrounds and industries should be invited to share insights and real-world applications on how and of the concepts being taught, and creating networking opportunities with alumni. We have successfully completed the course, which will help to provide current students with insights and inspiration. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.